So one of the biggest challenges any contractor was going to have with this project was our timeline. Harmony Basements took that on as if it was just another day in the shop. They had people here from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. 7 days a week, and all without complaint. They even were ahead of schedule by the time they actually completed everything, and that's with permits and inspections and everything on top of that. It was just phenomenal. Diego and his team, they handled it completely professionally, and they were all over it. I didn't have to chase them once for any sort of follow-up, which is something that I've constantly had to do with other vendors and contractors, and that, I think, is probably the biggest shout out to Harmony Basements. Is
and we had input throughout the entire process. Because this is a podcast studio and not just like a regular living space, we had some very unique challenges and some unique requests that were absolutely met, from the lighting to where we put the outlets to having a retractable television on the ceiling. So everything was done the way that we asked for, and anything that we had asked, the answer was always yes, absolutely.
they earned a level of trust and comfort where we were able to focus on our work on the podcast that we were still running on a daily basis while they were here, while they actually got the work done and resolved all of these issues. And it was obvious that they were not going to be 100% happy with the project until we were.